Hey everyone, if you are watching this video, that's mean you are facing issues regarding ZEPTO wallet cache. So in this video, I'm going to show how to fix all the issues regarding ZEPTO wallet cache. So wallet, ZEPTO is an online grocery delivery service that offers a wide range of products, including fresh products, snacks, household essentials, delivered quickly to your doorstep. It is known for its faster delivery within minutes. It is convenient for the users who want to get their foods in short notice. First thing you need to do to fix all these issues is that you can go to your home screen and hold ZEPTO app and click on this info icon. Then go to storage section and clear data and clear all data. Click OK, and then it will fix all the problems. If it doesn't work, you can also do is upgrade this ZEPTO app if there any update available, and this will fix all the issues. And the last thing you can do is just uninstall this application and reinstall it. It will definitely fix all the issues you had with ZEPTO wallet cache. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel.